Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is give you guys a $1,000 crypto portfolio. So what we're going to do is we're going to imagine that you've got $1,000 in 2025. Today we are March 4th of 2025 and I'm going to give you guys what I would do with that money. So keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a Loose Moose. Invest at your own risk. Also, like, comment, subscribe. Let's keep this channel going. Guys, a lot of big updates. So, by the way, I do a lot of corporate videos. So I've been doing video production since I was a little baby. Basically, since I was like 10 years old. So this is a Pixis 6K full frame. Maybe I'll share some with you guys, but that's my thing. I've been doing cinematography work. I'm working on a documentary right now, and I'm pretty pumped because I just got the Blackmagic Pixis 6K full frame. I'm going to be putting my Contact Zeiss old vintage primes on here, and yeah, we're going to be shooting 13 stops of dynamic range, 12-bit color, so it's going to be nice. So yeah, maybe we'll be doing some episodes with that. Currently we use the Blackmagic 4K, just so you know. So anyways, without the Moose rambling on, let's dive right into it. So the Moose has his coffee. Guys, get your cup of coffee if you want. So again, right now we are Tuesday, March 4th, 2025. Where would you be allocating for maximum profit? So let's start there. Okay, so there's going to be two ways. We're going to do this two ways. One will be a more high risk, mid-high risk, if you will. Basically, we're taking a shot. We're taking 1,000. Our goal is to 10x. Where do we put that money? And then we will do a safer bet where you just buy and hold, maybe forever, honestly, or at least for 20 years. Typically, I like to have a long-term mindset. Of course, some projects are more speculative and they don't always work out, but that's part of the game. Okay. So more high risk, what are we going to do? So what I understand is that you do want to diversify, but you don't want to over diversify. Okay, so what that means is if we take 100% and we put it into a meme coin, it's gambling. You might as well go play blackjack, pick a number. If you hit, cool. But we're not doing that. Okay, we need to maximize the upside and bring down the downside. Okay, so at least manage it. So what I like to do, and when I'm looking at the market, there's one golden opportunity, and that is layer ones. Basically, Bitcoin, the digital gold, it accounts for 60%. It's 60% dominance. So 60% is in Bitcoin. Almost 10% of the market is in Ethereum. So what's something that could 5 to 10x? Well, there's going to be a few. So what I would do is I would take, if we're going high risk, I would take 50% and immediately put it into Solana, Cardano, or XRP. So these are 3 tokens that have been announced that will be part of the US strategic reserve for cryptocurrency. Massive opportunities. I see very little downside assuming that we keep the bullish momentum with these projects because you can build with them. They have all the partnerships. I think Cardano right now, that's where I would put 50%. Yeah, whatever. Call me an ADA Maxi. But there's a lot of reasons for it. You have the midnight airdrop coming out. There's now smart contracts. NFTs have been on the platform. Last cycle, they were not. You now have it part of the U.S. Strategic Reserve. Charles Hoskinson making better partnerships. You're going to see Bitcoin, UTXO. The Moose could get loose and go on forever on this. But point is, I believe this could get to anywhere from $5 to $10, maybe Q3, Q4 of this year. So that's where I would put 50% in ADA. You could swap that out for Solana or XRP. I think that would be a good option. Okay, so we're looking for big gains. The other 50%. There's a lot of opportunities. I would probably take a little bit, put on Bitcoin. But again, let's keep that for the safer bet. So 50% ADA, that's going to be our big play. The next one, okay? So I would probably put some in Chainlink. I think Chainlink, again, if we take a look, this is going to be a project that's going to be connected to all of the others. And it didn't have that much of a run last run. A lot of people were talking it could get to 100. I think that's the case this time. So maybe 20% in Chainlink. So now we're at 70%. You got 30% left. Let's take a big risk here. So we're not going to get into Pi, which I was mining Pi like years ago. So I think I made like $80 off of that for free, which was cool. What I would do is I would find a narrative. I would find AI or gaming. And we're going to go with gaming. We're going to go with one of my favorite projects. A project super low cap that I think is just growing tremendously, if you will. So here we've got cornucopias back at that low point. So I would take 30%, put in a copy. So you got ADA at 50%, Chainlink or Polkadot, put that at 20%, and then take a risk. Get some copy. Like, buy up a bag. The market cap, super low. This is something that could hit a $4 or $5 billion market cap in the future. Okay, so I would take profits way before that. But I like this project. I like the team. The team looks incredible. If you guys don't know what Copy is, and I believe they do have a sale going on somewhat soon. So that's something to think about. But guys, this is a game being built using Unreal Engine 5. The team's incredible. They're very transparent. They have a YouTube channel. And what I really like about this is that they have working NFTs. They have land and they care about the game. Okay, so they want to see this project thrive. So I will have a link. We'll bring that up later, but there will be a sale. Perhaps I'll be doing a video on that with Copy. The other one, let's take a look at some other games. But you're getting the idea, right? You want to take a risk, but also manage the downside. So find opportunities, but don't get into something that's like 1,000x. Go for a 10x. A 10x is a lot, guys. Like 10x, Copy would be the potential 20 to 50x right now. ADA would be a 5 to 10x. And then DOT would be around the same 5 to 10, I would say. Okay. And again, there's a lot of things that go into crypto. We're doing a YouTube video. We're having fun. We're speculating. Okay. But look at the gaming category, guys. A lot of these projects are down. Sandbox, which has already proven to do well. If you were to assume that this will come back, I mean, guys, you're looking at a 10x right here. Okay, whatever that is, 20x. I mean, 28 cents to go back to, I mean, you'd have to time the peak properly. Let's say it goes back to $4. You're looking at like an 8x approximately. More. You're looking at more. So, you know, I would look at the gaming projects. I would find something in gaming AI with half of the money. Then I would pick a layer one. That's what I would do with the 1,000. Now, if you guys wanted a safer bet, and comment down below, how would you allocate? Okay, so that was the more loose moose degen stuff. If you want to have a safer bet, this is what I would do. Assuming that maybe you already took profits or you got into something and went up a lot, well, you want to keep the money in crypto. Where do you hodl it? Well, number one is Bitcoin. You should have 25 to 50% Bitcoin. It's the one thing that I don't think is going to go away. If crypto's around, I believe Bitcoin and Ethereum will be around. So I would go Bitcoin 25%, ETH maybe 25%, then go USDC or USDT 25%. And then the other 25%, I would pick a layer one, maybe like a Solana in ADA. So it's really that simple. There are a lot of new projects coming out. You guys comment down below what you think. But at the end of the day, I think that it's very obvious what's happening in the market. The true decentralized layer ones are going to prosper. ADA, I'm telling you, ADA is going to reach all-time highs probably this year. And it may not feel like it or seem like it. That's my prediction. I'm saying it now. It's back to like 85, 90 cents. You'll see it at $5, which is crazy. Okay? So guys, head over to the channel, subscribe, and also click on this Linktree button. When you do that, this page will open up, and I have links for you guys. In these links, you guys can use code Moose, save 10% off, plus perhaps there's still another sale. Okay, so you save 10% off any Tangem wallet or Tangem ring. I have the Tangem ring right now, guys. The coolest crypto cold wallet in my opinion. I love this thing to death. Works with an app. So $150. You guys can pick up a 2-card set for $50. There's also the new limited spring edition. Look how beautiful these are. I'm gonna have to do a video on these. So I think this looks awesome. There's also the beautiful card holder. So use code Moose. Yeah, if you guys want to keep your crypto safe, you gotta let loose and you gotta pick up a hardware wallet. We also have Trezors, Ledgers. These wallets are fantastic as well. I've been using them for the better part of 5 years. On top of that, you guys can sign up if you want to pick up crypto, and I also have online courses. These are doing very well. So these are cheap. I didn't want to make them $1,000, $500, $100 programs. They're $20. They're on Udemy. I believe I have 500,000 students, maybe more, on Udemy. So I build. That's why I was bringing up the camera. I do high-end video production work, and I build online courses with other instructors, and I do, commercial type work as well. So that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Comment down below, what is your high risk and low risk? We'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.